I'm in the mood for a hot dog. Queens, are you looking for an alternative for a hot dog? Well, I got you covered here. I am going to make a carrot taste exactly like a hot dog. And yes, we can do it in its vegan style. And this is what we're gonna do, the carrot. We're gonna turn that carrot into a hot dog. And how we do that is I have only 5 ingredients. That's all. We're gonna add water, Bragg's aminos, liquid smoke, ketchup, agave, that's it. Those are all our ingredients.
And carrots.
Oh yeah, and the carrots.
So.
Once you get all those ingredients, all you're gonna do is put them in a pot, let it boil for 10 minutes with your carrots. But first, you have to cut your carrots the size of the hot dog bun so you can get a bite of carrot dog in so you can get the taste of the carrot dog in every bite of the bun. That's what I was trying to say. Once you get them to the size of the bun, all you have to do is you shave them, shave them however you want to do it. Then you rinse them off. Then put them inside, put the hot dogs inside of the liquid, all the liquid that you have inside your pot. Once you have that, then you put it on the stove and you let that boil with the lid off for 10 minutes. Then once that 10 minutes go by, then you're gonna place the lid back on for another 10 minutes until tender. Sometimes you have to leave it on, you have to leave it cooking just a little longer because you may have a thicker hot dog, a thicker carrot dog than most. So once you get through with the 10 minutes of the lid being on, you're gonna take it off the eye and then let it sit for 3 minutes to just let it marinate and get all those goodness inside that carrot. And then once you do that, then it's time to eat. And here we have it, the amazing carrot dog. Now, myself and the crew, we're all gonna try it. You have to excuse
Gross.
my son has a new fur baby. And all
Gross.
we're gonna make this quick before he starts again.
It's not ready.
Now my son, he has keto bun. For those of you that are on keto, but RJ and I are having wheat.
It's good.
Now you can enjoy this at your family barbecue. Vegans don't have to be left out. See you at the next barbecue.